Hey everybody, this is Robin Taylor at Taylor Freelance, and I'm here to talk to you about our new magwells for the HK VP9. Some of you may be saying, why do you have a new magwell for the HK VP9? Didn't you have one already? Yes, we do. The trick is the original HK VP9 has a different frame shape. If you'll notice the base of the frame, you can see it in the close-up, is what I'm calling an innie. It tapers to the inside to make it easier to grab a mag and rip it out. The new A1 class guns, the frame flares to the outside instead. And so as a result, the mag we made for the original VP9 won't go on the A1s. So we had to make an entirely new variant of that. The A1 happily goes on easily like this, and then the VP9 frame is flexible enough that we've been taken to calling this the snap-on magwell, because if you squeeze it a little bit, it snaps on and stays there. Don't snap it back off, please, because it's actually a lot harder to get off than it is to put on. And if you really yank on it, you'll damage the front edge of the frame. So use a punch, take it out the old-fashioned way, but it'll really help you out if you do that. Other things about our magwells, people want to know if they accept factory magazines. So there's a factory mag. Yes, they fit. If you're a competitive shooter, someone that has done a lot with magwells, you'll know that is not the ideal setup because you're effectively pushing the magazine up into the magwell, which doesn't really help as far as reloading speed. So we make +0 extensions, which stick out a little bit. This is the new version of that, just so you know. And we make +5 extensions, the old HK Border Special, which sticks out quite a bit. So as far as a belt gun, they work great. That's why the Border Patrol Special Operations Group picked them up, etc., etc. So one of the nice things about the new magwell is it will go on the A1K as well as the A1F. I'm going to be good and push out my roll pin to get the magwell off. So here it is on the A1K. I don't have a roll pin in this one. And the thing you'll notice is that this is a large backstrap. Our previous model, the magwell wouldn't work with a large backstrap because it would hit in the back. But this one, it works. So it sticks out, still the large sticks out a little bit in the back, but at least the magwell is functional. So the snap-on magwell works on the A1, meaning the A1F, and the A1K snaps on just by pushing on it, but you do need to push it off to get it out. So there we are. Latest magwells for the HK at Taylor Freelance.